P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.
Kidney beer. Okay.
You like fucking coffee? With Volten.
I know. Yeah, you love your tea and your coffee and your
Hot chocolate.
hot chocolate and canned soda.
Yeah.
Exactly. The creature's visual memory is located not in its brain, but in the eye itself.
Anything else is...
It's nice to have a lovely family, a beautiful wife. To be welcomed home, open arms. A nice Sunday dinner on the table when you get back. Oh, yes. Brilliant, isn't it? It's a simple things.
This week, as usual, obviously the Sunday morning one, but like I said, if it is possible, you could spare, even if it's one of the early blocks like The Lion and the Lamb, which is about 35 minutes, I'd appreciate it, Mr. Horn. Sake.
Or a recipe for nuclear disaster.
Three Mile Island was directly across from my childhood home. The only thing separating it was the water, the railroad tracks, and a 2-lane.
Stick me 4 times to get the IV, and got the IV in me, and then they put some medicine in me that makes your heart rate slow down a whole bunch. And so they got it slowed down to about 70 beats a minute. And then they decided that they did not think that they could treat it there at that hospital because
Where are you going? Hello, Mr. Taylor. Oh, this is Taylor Garrett, Mr. Bishop Taylor.
Judging by the grin on your face, you're up to no good. I've got your man. And then, learning spate. Oh, wait. If you grab him now, you spoil everything. This time you've gone too far, Hugo. I won't send it.
perfectly safe. You can't escape. Give me half an hour. I should. I think I've got Barkley here. Play out an alarm and seal this place off. You'll do that, Fred. But no more monkey tricks. Promise? I've got one more trick up my sleeve. I promise it won't spoil your game.
P&J Productions now present Pouring Ale into a Glass.
Bollocks.